If you want to start investing your money this year, here are 5 smart investment options you can start with. The first one is mutual funds. So mutual funds are professionally managed investment funds where your money is combined with that of others and then invested in different asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, treasury bills, and so on. And at the end of the day, your returns will be based on the performance of all these asset classes. And the good thing about mutual funds is that you don't need to know a lot about the stock market because they are going to be professionally managed by professional fund managers. And you can start with as little as 5,000 naira in Nigeria. So you can check out platforms like ARM, FBN Quest, Stanbic IBTC, amongst others. Next, we have treasury bills and government bonds. So these are loans you give to the federal government. They pay you interest in return, and you also get your capital at the expiration of these loans. So treasury bills are usually for short periods of time, periods that are less than 1 year, whereas government bonds last for several years, but the returns are better compared to treasury bills. But the good thing about treasury bills and government bonds is that they are one of the safest investment options you can get out there. And lots of banks now in Nigeria offer them in their on their banking platform, so you can check that out if it's something you're interested in. Another smart investment option you can explore are commodity-based investments like gold. So instead of holding your Naira and watching it lose value every day due to inflation or exchange rate issues, you can actually invest in assets like gold. So here you have two options. You can either buy the physical asset or buy stocks that their prices are tied to the price of gold globally. So this is a good way you can hedge against inflation and also diversify your portfolio. The next on the list is real estate. You don't need to have millions to start investing in real estate today. In fact, apart from owning physical land or buildings, you can actually start investing in real estate through what we call real estate investment trusts. So with real estate investment trusts, you own a share of an income generating property like offices, malls, estates, and so on without you owning any physical land or building. And your return from this investment will be based on the rent and other capital gains that come from the management of these properties. So if you wish to explore real estate investment trusts in Nigeria, you can check out options like UPDC Real Estate Investment Trusts, Union Homes, SFS, and others. And then finally, we have the stock market. This is where you own shares in both local and foreign companies like Dangote, MTN, Amazon, Netflix, Fidelity Bank, and so on. And when these companies perform well, you also gain through price appreciation or dividends. You can start investing in stocks in Nigeria with as little as 5,000 naira with apps like Bamboo, AfriInvest, Chaka, and the rest of them. The bottom line here is that you don't need to be rich to start investing. All you need to do is to start, stay consistent, and stay informed. So, which of these smart investment options are you looking into first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to follow this page for more finance and investment updates. Like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.